Go.
Hi! Today is August 3, 2025, and it's the day after Sky's birthday! Yay! So now, we will open Sky's birthday gifts. Yay! This gift is from Lola. Wow! Wow! From Oh wow! This is so cute! This one. Can we open? Oh, Sky. Lola Cecil. It's ours. Thank you. Lexi and Ate Annie. She has a check. I think this is a right. Jesus loves you. Okay, let's open. Wow! It's a church dress. This is also from Pastor Gina and here. First farm words. First, I hope your day is sweet. Oh! Take your money. Take your money. Bell. Open it. Oh, that is so cool. Can we press this? Wow. Sky, oh. Let's open another gift. Sky, look, oh. Is this a bag? Is this a bag? Yeah, okay. My first replaceable. Sky, oh. Juliana. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, so nice. Hey, thank you. Wow, this is so nice naman. Pa, Sky, look oh. Uncle Nick, Tita Kat, Katie, and Isaiah. Wow, Sky. Tatay, look. Wow.
Ay, ang cute niyan.
Wow. There's more here. Let's open. Hi, happy first birthday. Wish you all the best. Open. Wow. Let's open. Oh, anak. Wow, it's so cute, Papa. The list. Let's open. Wow. Look, guys. Anak, look, oh. Level 2. And there's one more, Sky. Press and play. How do you press this? Oh. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Sky is so happy. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Bye. Bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Flying kiss. Mwah. Flying kiss.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Kiss tatay.
you.
Thank you. Kiss nanay.